didn't even know what was happening going on.
I don't know. She didn't speak any English, and I think we said yes at some point when we shouldn't have. Whatever, we're gonna go eat it at the hostel.
Let's go bite. That was a fish ball. It was pretty good actually.
We're here today at the Peak tram. We're going to be taking it up to the mountain to check out the whole view of Hong Kong. And we're getting on with the octopus card because it's cheaper and you get to skip a whole bunch of the lines. So definitely check out this if you're in Hong Kong.
Alright, so once you get off the tram, you get into a mall complex. But if you keep walking around going up a few levels, you'll end up at the Peak, which is outdoors, which is sort of what I was expecting. I wasn't really expecting this mall complex to be here, but so be it. Here we go, outside to the Peak.
Oh, you're rolling?
Yeah.
I thought you were taking a photo. So we're here at the Peak. Unfortunately, it's very foggy today. We can't really see much. It still looks cool seeing the tops of the buildings from here, but definitely check the weather if you're gonna do this, because we picked a bad day.
Currently heading down Old Peak Road. It's one of the trails that are at the Peak here in the park in Hong Kong. And don't know where it's gonna go exactly, but we're gonna take it and figure it out.
Taking Old Peak Road led us to Hong Kong Zoological and Botanical Gardens, which is free to visit. We walked until we found the central mid-level escalators. These escalators are the longest outdoor covered escalator system in the world. They cover over 2,600 feet and over 400 feet of elevation. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to stay up to date with more videos.